What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka District Mental Health Program Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong Rakhe ka World Mental Health Day ka balong shibenta ban pen kan mawi ka jingdan kam ka koi ke kya ha ka baya day bat ka bor perkhat perdan jong u ne ka wei pa ka wei na kibriyo ka phang pedeng jong ka jing rakhe ka long access to service mental health in catastrophes and emergencies. Medical Superintendent ka Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong Dr. W. Lakyang ulalong kum ukong san ha ka jingeran lang giriw shampang bat ki samna shinrang bat kintay. Ya ka jingalang la penyai da ka kong poti District MNE Coordinator DMHP ha District Library Auditorium Jowai ha ka khatlai trik risang. Kiriw shampang ki bala ajing batay halor ka jing kta jong ka jing pang jing majing perkhan kila jingada bat halor ki kindon an ki bala ban ajinga dai ki briu ki shakta hakabor perkhat perdan kilong LS Kongla Assistant Legal Defense Counsel na po District Legal Service Authority but S Singkon Clinical Psychologist na po District Mental Health Program.
Awareness of the community at the village level. Although socially we are very caring people. I'll tell you an example. If somebody died at any family, the other relatives, the other neighbors, they'll come console you in a way, whatever they know. But I encourage you to take the opportunity whenever there is awareness program related to mental health, mental illness. Please associate yourself. And I hope there will be few actually, the spokespersons who will be a resource full to you, I believe. I just want to impress upon you that whatever you learn today, please try to gossip to others. I'm saying gossip because gossip, it spread fast. So that way, if you go and continue spreading the word of mental health awareness to your friends at your locality and your home, then one day, I hope that this very theme, easy access to mental health during a catastrophe or emergency will come through. If I tell you by my experience, my teachers used to tell me, Dr. Rakhe, the patients, treat him both, we call it psychosomatic. The patient comes with a problem, physical somatic, but the psycho is a mental part. If we address only the somatic without addressing the mind, the psychology of the patient, unlikely that we will be succeed in 100% of the cases. So I was always impressed upon that this too has to be addressed. But the truth is, when you go to hospital, sometimes because of the workload, say one doctor will have to see 100 patients, and if he has to address both these elements, he will take at least 30 minutes one patient. So, you know, especially in our district, earlier we do have our psychiatrist who is qualified, now that she is promoted. We have our Dr. Dan, who is very devoted related to mental health. He is going further study. Next 3 months he'll come back. So I ask of you to spread that this, whatever type of mental illness that you have, your friend have, you will be told here today the signs, the symptoms. Once you see your friends who are having those signs and symptoms, please, you need not go to Syllad. At Jowai Civil Hospital we have that. Although we don't have at present, the next 3 months our doctors will come back from this training. We have our competent psychologists who will help you tremendously.
Illness is a mental disorder, that significantly affects a person's ability to think, correct? To perceive, correct? A mood, speaking disorder, eating disorder, okay? And the factors that led to this mental disorder or mental illness is of course depression. One of it is a depression, no? Kamu doktor taniwa, really, when a patient comes, two things they have to treat him. Could be physical, could be mental. He came with full attention, now, they can succeed in healing that person once they can counter in these two aspects, that is physically and mentally, correct? So basically, mental illness is anything that affects us, affects our life. Now there are people who are suffering from anxiety. Menuju anxiety, menuju depression, it leads to something. But there are many people who don't take up any alcoholic or these toxic substances due to family problems, due to pressure in society. They fall into this category. And now some of you don't realize this. Each and every one of us are suffering from mental health. Who doesn't have a problem in life? Who? Everyone, right? Some of you have family problem. Some of you may have, you're facing problems in studies, right? Finance problem, right? To some of you, the girlfriend-boyfriend problem, the love, no? Some of you, you want to be, you have so many kinds of problem. Problem is individual parts of our life. And according to this act, if I may read for you, it is a substantial disorder of thinking, mood, perception, orientation, or memory that grossly impairs judgment, behavior, capacity to recognize reality, or ability to meet ordinary demand of life. So, it is like a physical ability. It impairs the way you think. It impairs the way you socialize. It impairs the potential how you grow. And once it affects you, it affects your family members, it affects your siblings at home, correct? You may have, have experience in your family, maybe one or two, or maybe your friend. That it's not just his problem. It affects mainly the family members. No?
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.